Hey, what's up guys? Today what we're going to be doing is installing some bed tie downs on my 2017 F250. Issy Auto hooked me up with 4 of these tie downs for my truck. So basically what I'm going to be doing today is showing you guys what tools you need and how to install these on your truck, so that way you can easily tie down all the stuff that you're putting in your truck. You guys know that I put my 4-wheeler in the back of my F250 on a regular basis. The F250 has tie downs that come from the factory, but they're in a really low, weird position. And that's where these tie downs from Issy Auto are gonna make strapping things down in the back of your truck that much easier. Alright guys, so first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what the kit comes with, and then I'm gonna show you what you need to do the install. So the kit comes with these 4 tie downs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes with a set of keys that operate the tie downs. Comes with some screws and a T30 Torx bit, and then it comes with your 1-year warranty card. So you basically set it up through these guys. That way if you have any issues with this, which you probably won't, but you can set up that 1-year free warranty, so that way you could get, you know, stuff replaced if you ever have an issue with it. But I doubt you will, because this is like really sturdy quality. These things are built awesome. Issy Auto does a great job with these. I mean, I think that they're a really nice part. So basically what you're going to need is you're going to need some type of drill. Your drill has to be able to take a T30 Torx bit, so pretty easy. And then you're going to want something to lubricate the screws. That way whenever you're screwing them into the side of the bed, they don't get too hot or anything like that. So I'm just going to use WD-40, but really you could use whatever you have sitting around that can be used for lubricant. So basically guys, what you do is you insert the key, turn the key, lift this portion up right here, and then that allows you to slide this tie down portion out of the way. Okay, so then you have this is the part that you're going to be installing on the truck, and then you'll slide this in after. So basically what you want to do is you want to set it up to where it's like an upside down T, and that is going to be the direction that you orient it on the truck. So I'll go ahead and show you on the truck. Alright, so on the truck, you'll have 4 corners. You'll basically have a corner here, corner here, corner here, and a corner here that have spots that are kind of set up to receive these tie downs. So in most cases you won't have a screw hole already, so that's why you're going to need the lubricant. And basically what you're going to do is take one of the bolts, lubricate it, and then you're going to basically use your drill to put it into this area right here. So how you want to set up the tie down, so you have the upside down T, right? And you basically want to align the holes. So there won't be an actual hole here on all the trucks. It'll be like an indentation. So you basically want to align it with that indentation, and then take your drill with your T30 Torx bit and your screw, and you basically want to lubricate the end of that screw and drive that into the side of the truck. I've got the screw on there. I've got my T30 Torx bit. And basically what I'm going to do first is you're going to put it on the indentation, and then you're going to screw it into the side of the truck. Okay? And then you're going to unscrew it. And you're basically going to do that for all the 4 indentations that will be on the side of your truck. So you'll have 2 here at the top and then 2 here at the bottom. You want to basically open those up by using this screw with the lubricant. And then once you have all 4 of the holes kind of drilled into the side of the bed, then you want to, at that point, you want to take the tie down, and you want to go ahead and get it started in one of the corners. Make sure the other corners are all lined up, and then basically what you want to do is, since you already have those holes already made, you want to take the other bolts and install them. Alright, so that's what it's going to look like whenever you get the plate installed. So after the plate has been installed, basically what you want to do is you want to take your tie down, and you want to take this part right here with the ears, and you want to push it in and then push up on it. So after you push this up, then basically what you want to do is you want to take this bottom portion, make sure the key is turned the correct way, kind of at a like a parallel to the ground, and then you want to push this bottom part in and turn the key so it basically locks it into place. Here are the stock tie downs that the Ford trucks come with. They're in the corners. Notice they're really low, so when you have cargo in the bed, this is really hard to get to, where this super easy to get to, super strong, and it has a bunch of cool features. So if you have something like a bungee cord or something that you want to just kind of flip through there, you can flip that through there, hook it up to the other side, flip it through there. So basically what you do is you do the same thing for the other 3 corners, and then you're all set. Alright guys, thanks for watching this install video. Make sure you click the link in the description below, which will navigate you to the Issy Auto website where you can order these bed tie downs. They have a lot of awesome, great products on their site, so make sure you check out their site, see what else they've got in store. Remember, each of these bed tie downs is good for 250 pounds, so you're talking about having 1,000 pounds of tie down capability within your Ford truck. So these things work really great. Make sure you guys click the like and the subscribe button. Sean O'Connell YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.